Anin Buju. Today is June 29th. And starting off with the COVID updates. In Aiken County, there was an increase in one. So now there's 1,390. Pro Wing, an increase of 8. 6,828. Mille, an increase of 1. 3,119. In Pine County is the same. 3,350. On res, no change at all, which is good news. So District 1 and 2A is 119, District 2, 12, and District 3, 35. So there is no change on the reservation for the COVID updates. Want to say Chimigwech to all of you that have received your vaccination. And if you know of others that still need and want to, please connect with the clinic and get that taken care of. Today from 1 to 4, there is a substance use disorder open house over at the Grand Market. So there's going to be some food and prizes. So if you have a chance, please go over there from 1 to 4 today. And I'd like to remind everyone that there was an elder gathering on Friday. And wow, that was so much fun. It was so nice to see everyone out and about, got to hug people, got to have a good meal, and enjoyed the band that was there. A lot of fun, a lot of people wanting to get up and dance. And of course, we know Gail Tyson will always dance. So she was out there dancing to the music. So we had a really good time. Tomorrow, there is the swearing in for the new commissioners, and that is going to be Pete Naquanabe. He will be sworn in as a commissioner of administration. Maria Costello will be sworn in as the assistant commissioner of administration. Nicole Anderson will be sworn in as the commissioner of health and human services. These terms will be for 4 years. So if you have some time, come on over. There's going to be a small picnic after the swearing in out on the grounds of the government center. If you'd like to come and say hi to the new commissioners. The government center has scheduled a midsummer days off for employees. That starts on July 1 till Tuesday. So if you have medication that you need to have addressed, please go to the clinic today and tomorrow and get that completed. Just a little update. Last week attended the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe, a special meeting, and there was a lot of discussion regarding the water and concern from the tribal perspective that Enbridge will be using a lot of water, and a lot of folks are opposed to that. So emergency letter went out to the governor to have him aware of our concerns. The biggest discussion was enrollments. And through the delegates of the Constitutional Reform Committee, they had presented a draft resolution that they would like the elected officials to look at the option of each of the separate bands, which is Boys Fort, Grand Portage, Mille, Fond du Lac, White Earth, and Leech Lake, and leave that enrollments up to each of the sovereign bands to determine how they will address that. There was a lot of discussion back and forth. A lot of the members got up and spoke about their concerns or support of the resolution. And the TEC actually passed a motion to have a referendum vote at our next election, which is next June. And the question will be, do you support putting this question out for a special secretarial election? So do you want the question to be to give that authority to each of the bands to determine their own decisions and how they enroll their membership? And so that is the first step of many steps. depending how the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe members of each of the 6 bands answer the question, we will then move forward. So if they vote yes, that they would like this to be a secretarial election to change the Constitution, then all of those steps come into place. If the membership vote no, then more discussion will continue on how to address the issue of tribal enrollments. What I have committed to is to start some public hearing meetings to educate, to give you, the Mille Lacs band members, the opportunity to ask questions, what this means. And it's still a long process and many steps included when we do anything to amend the Constitution of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe. So look for more information. We're going to start scheduling these meetings, and we'll get documents prepared to help you think about what kind of questions you would like to ask. Again, as a reminder, the government services are going on a couple of days off. So please, if you need services or issues, please try to get those resolved either today or tomorrow. And I hope that you also have a good summer break, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.